All right, here we go. Spring declutter challenge is on. We are getting our house totally decluttered, getting rid of all that stuff we don't want. It feels so good. I'm going through my whole house, space by space, room by room, assessing all my stuff. I love to do this once a year so I know exactly what I have and where it is. And then by the end of it, my house will be so much more calm and peaceful, and there will be a lot of stuff that has left. I hope you've been following along too, or jumping in just wherever you feel motivated. Today is going to be a big one. Today I'm going to tackle something that I haven't done before, but I think it's important. It's my dresser and also my bedside tables. I'm going to do my room and my kids' rooms as well, because this is an area of our houses that really tend to collect extra stuff. I don't know why, they're kind of a bedroom hotspot for me. So I'm going to go through, get rid of all this stuff, put it away, decide if I even need to keep it. I'm also going to declutter my jewelry box, which is kind of overflowing and I don't really know what's in there right now. I'll do my bedside tables, get them all nice and cleaned up, and then head into my kids' room. All right, let's get started. Check it out, we have friendship bracelets. This is my sister's. I'll have to give that back to her. Jewelry is kind of a hard one to declutter. I definitely need to get rid of some of this stuff. I'm definitely not wearing some of this stuff. I want to keep my fine jewelry, like my good stuff, but some of the costume stuff can definitely go. I also seem to have an overabundance of these beaded bracelets. It'd be nice to have something to display them on, although yeah, that would look so much nicer if I had a little stand for them. I'll have to look for something like that. Anyways, let's see what else I can do. Okay, so I've gone through pretty much everything. I have my nice jewelry organized in a kind of more functional way. The only thing I'm like, oh great, oh there we go. The only thing I'm really wondering about is all these lanyards. Like we have these lanyards and stuff from Disneyland, and like, oh, there's pins on them, and one from a volunteer thing I did, which has got some really special pins on that. And I don't really want to get rid of them, but I can't just keep shoving them in here. So I've got to figure out a place to keep these things special. But also, like, do I need to keep these? Maybe this is something I could put in my children's special keepsake box, or is that just deferring clutter to them? I mean, we did go to Disneyland. I want them to have these, and they might want them and be like, oh yeah, because we don't really do souvenirs. This is really all we have. So yeah, I have to figure that one out. That's a hard one. If you're not using it all the time, is it worth having it? Maybe I should just use it for my keys. Okay, I'm gonna figure that one out, put it to the side and think about it. But look how much stuff I am getting rid of right here. So basically all this, oh, not these. These are money. So like all this stuff, oh, and not my friendship bracelets, goodness gracious. But all this is just kind of costume jewelry or just stuff I don't really wear. So yeah, it can go. I'm gonna give this to my daughter. She'll think that's amazing. Check it out, I'm making money. Okay, there we go. Like, it looks so much better. I mean, this is my little pile of decluttered stuff, so it's not a lot, but I'll be able to find the jewelry I want. It's all in a place where I can see it, and it's gonna make a huge difference in just my daily life. I'll always feel so happy when I open that up. So it's good to get through that, get rid of some of this stuff that just doesn't suit me anymore. Moving on, I'm gonna do my bedside table, which isn't that bad because it's small and there's only one drawer, but I have in the past had bigger ones and they tend to get very full of lots of things like books and papers and socks and all that random stuff. So not too much to do, but I do have to sort through a couple things. It's mostly just lotions for my feet in there. nothing really to throw out, but I'm gonna just put these in a place that make more sense. And I found a lottery ticket. Ooh, I'll let you know. Ooh, I gotta check it soon. All right, so it's kind of a short day today for me. It might not be for you, but that's okay. It's just one more thing. We're checking off the list. Didn't take long, and it really wasn't a huge job today, but that's okay. We're mixing up small jobs and bigger jobs, and eventually we're just gonna work our way through the whole house. Mine looks a whole lot better. I hope yours does too. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below, because every day on every decluttering video, I'm giving away $100 to a local store in your area. And you get to choose the store. I really wanted to support local business and also give you some extra motivation to get cleaning. So I'm gonna trust that if you've commented below to enter to win the prize, that you've decluttered a dresser top or an end table, or maybe just looked around and grabbed some garbage and thrown it out. Just do one small space. Every little thing will add up to a lot. All right, that's it for me. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.